Teachers, so if you followed my content last time, yung in-upload ko po about the monthly supervision plan ng isang master teacher or school head, so ito pong ating content ngayon ay may kaugnayan doon. So since may mga nag-message sa atin when it comes to the monthly supervision and sana raw ay magkaroon din tayo ng accomplishment report para sa mga bagong master teachers, dulot na rin ng mga promotion or ng mga movement. So here we are. We have here a new content which is all about the monthly supervision accomplishment report. So ito po ay ginagawa ng isang master teacher or ng school head or OIC ng isang school upang bigyan ng tulong at saka patunay ng mga nagawa sa bawat buwan. So sa nakaraan nating video, yung supervisory plan for June, ito na po yung accomplishment report. So if you want to check it, balikan nyo na lang po yung ating video. Andyan pa naman po siya, bago lang naman. So madali nyo pong mahanap. So una, let us make you see or understand the accomplishment report. So for June, our focus is on PPST 1.1.2, the objectives, the enabling projects or activities, the MOV, and the accomplishment report. So, conducted a review of lesson plans, classroom observations, and post-observation coaching sessions. Teachers demonstrated improved mastery of learning competencies and enhanced integration of content across learning areas. Technical assistance and mentoring were provided to address identified instructional gaps. All targeted teachers complied with the recommended instructional adjustments, and incorporated feedback in their lesson delivery. So, accomplishment report or rate 100% completed. So, ganyan lang po kasimple. Then, dito po, ilalagay natin ang ating teachers na naging beneficiary. And my dear teachers, for your information, ito nga po palang template na ginagamit natin is ang pinaka-latest po na template na binigay ni DepEd. So, since 2025, ito na din po yung gamit natin hanggang ngayon. So far, wala pa naman po nilalabas na bago. But then, if you want to use this, ilalagay ko po yung soft copy sa description, yung template. Anyway, moving on. So that is for June. Ito po yung second part, yung ibang teachers na na-observe or nabigyan ng supervision, technical assistance. Then for the month of July, same template but different focus, which is aligned in 1.4.2. So here is our accomplishment status. You can read this, pause this video para makita nyo po yung content. And pwede nyo pong gamitin if you want. Okay? Then second part, or next set of teachers. Align naman to sa 5.2.2, so 1.3.2, and so on. So, kung ano po yung nasa focus area and then yung objective, dapat may pakita natin sa ating accomplishment report na na-meet natin yon. And paano na-meet? Dapat ilagay nyo po dyan papaano. Alright, so ganyan po yung pagbibigay ng accomplishment report. And lastly, since August pa naman, but then patapos na rin tayo, so we have provided here our accomplishment. So, dito ang focus naman natin is to support colleagues, professional growth and development through collaboration and learning activities. So, bakit ito yung ating naging focus? Since ito po kasi yung month na ito is papalapit na yung ating end of term, so September. So, dito mas nagkakaroon ng maraming meetings and preparation for the upcoming LAC sessions or INSET. So, aside from that, yung objective pa din natin is to enhance teachers' competencies in developing project proposals and implementing school-based innovations or programs. So, just like what we have mentioned. So, here are the MOVs and the accomplishment or status. So, you can read this po, yung content. Basahin nyo lang po yan and then you can use that for your own consumption. Then, another set of teachers. Ayan po. Alright. Then, of course, ang signatory, kayo pa rin po as the master teacher, then approved by the school principal. If you're a school principal or school head, prepared nyo, then approved ng inyong public schools district supervisor. So that is how we prepare our accomplishment report, supervision accomplishment report. But if you have your own template na ginagamit or binigay ng inyong division, no problem po with that. But then when it comes to those who are searching or naghahanap ng template para sa accomplishment report with regards to the supervision, so if you want this one, ilalagay ko po yung soft copy sa description. So, thank you po for watching. I hope nakatulong po yung ating simpleng content. And if you want to give comments or suggestions, feel free po to comment sa ating comment section. If this one is helpful, you can always hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and God bless po, my dear teachers.